Gets out, Dr. Bigay bola para kay Morganan.
Quarter
Hand it
finals
over.
ng Supremos.
Drives inside, number 59, getting the first score of this
Isa
game.
nakikot ang bola ng pag-ipit.
On the pass, here's the down. Under transition, miscommunication right there. Leads to a turnover. Here's the Cruz between two defenders, kicks out for three. Misfires. Goes right through the lane. An easy point. Para player number 13 of the Indang Rookies. Number 84 kicks it out. Hand up back. Hand on the shot ball. Ball is over. Drives. Sees an opening with a counter and one. Shot misses. First personal for Peter with your need. Here's number 1 on top of the key. Bigay bola. Right here with your need. As it drives, kicks out. Winds it up a triple. From downtown 3. Extra passes. Here's number 17 down low. Ali playing his flyers, but for the loose ball. Here's number 22 as he picks up the leather. Quick hand over, but up here number 13. Like it already crosses over between the insides and gets a foul. And the foul is goal number 1. Tiny Harden takes out. Yeah, 4-3 from downtown 3. That is an 8-4 as Aaron scored. 4-point lead still coming from the team of the Indang. Running his way through. Number 59 get a point.
Pamangkin yan ni ano.
4 points now for player 59. Here's number 1. Kicks out once again. 4-3 from downtown 3. That is a 3 consecutive 3-pointers coming from the Indang. Here's the Cavite City on their run. Alauri looking for a team in the pass. Kicks out after the Cruz on miscommunication. Here's number 1. Quick handoff para player number 11. Number 1 kicks out on left wing, right wing brothers.
Pepes lang ang
There is a holding foul here.
Okay lang yan.
30, that will be a second personal. Team foul number 2. Substitution.
11-6.
Parales checks in. Replacing player number 30. That is Morgana. Here's number 1. Hand it over para player number 13 on top of the key. Long distance 3. Misses. Here's an outing. Hand it over para kay De La Cruz. Yagas drives and gets a foul.
Yagas kayo dyan.
Foul player number 9 at the line. Shooting 2. Player number 59. First shot misses. Zero 2. Ball stolen. Here's number 84. As the season opening goes live through the big end. Here's a inside pass. And that is a quick dream coming from player number 11. Here's an out-in. Inside pass. Drive, spins away, off the glass. And there will be the balance with goal for player number is a 2-4-2 para player number 17. Crosscourt pass para player number 1. Tight coordinate. Drives. And there will be a foul player number.
Laki ba man?
59. First personal team foul number 3. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Here's number 1. I guarded 5 to shoot. Misses. Ball goes out of bounds. Here's number 84. Hand it over. And there will be a whistle and the foul has been called.
Nilabas na si Betes.
Foul player number 22. Penalty. That is first. And the first shot is given by player number 59. That is a 2-4-2. 1 point lead remaining for the now. Christian off the player number 1. Espinilla drives, forces, and gets a foul. Holding foul player number. That is a 1 out of 2. 2 out of 2 rather. Para player number 1. 15-12 is our running score. Here's our 59. Down low, pass deflection. Ball will stay. Inside, drives, won't go. Battling for the ball. Here's number 15, looking for a team in the pass. Hand it over para player number 3. Off the player number 7. Here's Lampa, setting things up. Down low, misfires, shot fake, and drives. Number 29, with an easy bucket. An outlet pass again as they ball stolen. Drives, Martinique is running through. Misfires, ball goes into the other. Substitution. Here's number 84. Heidi Hardy kicks it out. Once again, Yagas. Extra pass. Ball stolen. Here's number 1, 2, 4. Almost loses it. Chuck fake. Kicks out. Lampa with the letter. 15 on the shot clock. Down low. Off the glass. Oh, look at that pass. Beautiful passes right there. Coming from the Indang rookies.
19-12. Dito na lamang ng Indang. 2 minutes, 55 seconds.
Here's number 84, spins away on the defender, quick handoff, kicks it out, Mariales for 3, misfires. Here's Lampa, loses it, and leads to a turnover. Here's the Cavite City now, on their transition, on top of the setting things up, ball deflection. Number 59, keeping it alive. Ball stolen again. For the Indang rookies. Here's number 29. Hand over De Las Alas. And there will be a traveling. Substitution. Mariales. Allow lead off the player number 6. Long distance 3. Short. Crosscourt pass is allowed, quick handover, stop and pop jumper, knocks it in. 39 spins away. On the hesitation move. Down low. Shot swing off the glass. Look at that move by player number 7, Lampa. And there will be a result. Here's number 25 on the last business. Ryan sneaks it out. Big hand over, shot fake, inside through. Ball will stay. 5. Misfires. Aim too short, one touch shot. Here's number 12. Drives. And knocks it in. And oh, look at that. Reverse lay is good. Coming Lampa. Lampa with that reverse lay up. And a point. Here's number 12. Loses it. Ball deflected. Ball stolen down for the Cavite City. Here's number 1. Saves it. Left-hander finish. 5 seconds remaining on his first. Now low. Fade away Jerry.
Maganda. Pitol lamang
And the first quarter with the wheels going off. 8. Second quarter. Drives, loses it. Traveling. Here's Makabuhan. He won a malaki player number 3. Down low pass. Sees an open teammate right there. Losing that attempt. And ball will stay. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Here's number 3 on the top of the league, setting things off. Inside pass. A miscommunication right there. Here's number 9 off the glass.
Nasham,
Off
27.
to the game out. Down low pass. Losing his way through. Off the glass. That is player number 13. Number 12 rather. Of the Cavite City. As he drives underneath the rim, get a bucket, and added points for his team. Here's number 22, DJ. Off the glass is good. Here's number 12. Ball goes into the other.
Ginabi niya nasa nakalapat yung press sa baba. Dapat ay last hit sa
Time out from Cavite City. Here's number 6. Off the gas, knocks it in. Here's number 29 on the hesitation. Almost loses it. Kicks out. Handed over. Number 7 for 3. Misfires. And there'll be a whistle with the fouls before for New York. Here's the Cavite City under transition. Handed over para kay Makabuhan. Off the player number 12. Then 14 for 3. From downtown 3. Makabuhan having 5 points, 3 points for his team. Here's number 7, Lampa. As an open man inside the paint. Alejo loses it. Here's the income now. Off the player number 7. Forces on go.
Walang practice. May practice yung pasok.
Off the last with a counter and on. That is a 3-point lead para Pedro Rodriguez. Three-pointer misses. After the kick down, as it drives. After Makabuhat, 4-3. No, Makabuhat picks it up. Trumper misfires, and there will be a foul as they call for player number. Here's number 1 from coast to coast, kicks it out. Jumper, no good. Here's number 1 with the putback. Great putback right there by player number 1. After the kick out, para kay Lumagi. Extra pass, pass deflection. 1v1 situation. De Las Alas fade away as Media gets a foul from the air and a foul. That is a 2-4-2 para kay. Here's Porcanen inside, takes it out. Hand it over to Porcanen, down low pass. Ballsing is straight through. And he gets a foul. Foul player.
Sure, boy.
That is a 2-4-2 by player number 12. Here's number 39, Kilibuan para De Las Alas. De Las Alas on a double key, setting things up. Tries to do an isolation, they play. Almost ball stolen, kicks out, long 3. Bang! From Telltale 3. Down low, off the glass, knocks it in. Straight points down by Reyes on the second half. Steady jumper, gets a foul, and the foul is goal. Here's Porcanen on the top of the key, setting things off. Heidi Guardian, he tries to do an isolation. Step back 2, kicks it out, inside, drives, reverse, bounces off. Here's the income release now on the deflection. Pinibuan para player number 7. Inside.
40-32. Walang lamang ng indang. 3 minutes speed.
De Las Alas, pinibuan para player number 1. After De Las Alas. 5 to shoot. Here's number 50. After Alaudin, 4-3. From Telltale 3. Inside, closing his way through. seconds of a shot ball. Kicks out. 4-3. Not this time. Here's number 29. Shot fake and as Alas on the way.
Sayang naman yun.
And that is
Sayang nun. Putik.
Today ball won't go.
35, 2 minutes, 28 seconds. Laman lamang ng undang.
Clear on the shot ball. Floats it off. Misfires. Here's number 59. As it drives.
Just kasi na rin, shoot na dapat.
Kicks out. Between the defenders. Season opening goes up and under 1-2 for the third serving. Jumper is good.
Uy, turnover.
Inside, kicks out. Odate, down low, off the last. Misfires. Here's the Cavite City now on the quick run. Taking up a step. Llagas goes nice with the lay-in.
Nice stop.
After the kick out now, here is Furkan with a hesitation move. Misses. Here's number 29.
40 seconds, 46
After the Alas.
Full ball.
4-3. One go. Back in front of this ball. Here's number 17. Asen down low after number 59. No good. He picks up his own miss, number 17. With a putback. 20 seconds remaining. 15. 10 seconds. 5 to shoot. From Telltale 3.
Walo lamang. 49, 41. Lamang ang Indang Supremo. Indang Rookies pala, hindi pala Indang Supremo. Rookies pala, Rookies. Third quarter.
Here's number 84, long two, player number 33. That is a long two on the quarter. Here's the dog. Hand it over, floats it off, bounces off. Here's Llagas, picks up the rebound. Off to Morales, off the gas, looks it in. Great transition, 45-49 as our running score.
Apat na.
Here's the inside pass, oh! Extra passes! And Verville was open. Now is the goal for player number 22. Here's Alaurin, inside pass, down low, off the glass, looks it in. 47-49, the lead is down to 2. Behind the back, rolling over, goes over, under, oh!
Matira yun.
Now proud on the move.
Mahirap.
Here's Alaurin on the double key. Spins, kicks out, ones it off. Hey!
Isa na. Ganun na. Isa na lamang.
From Telltale 3. And there will be a whistle.
Ito na ang team na ito. Yata si
14 seconds on the shot call.
Bilardo.
After the kick out, jumper misfires, battling for the rebound. Here's the Cavite City goes one student play in. And now it is the lead coming from the Cavite City on that layup of player number 84. Here's number 13, Riel, kicks it out, Marcos Alas from the corner, number 1 play, misfires. There's Liagas now. On the player number 84, Alawin. Hand it over para player number 33. Tell the shot call.
Outside.
Ball goes to the mouth.
52-51, lamang na ng isang Cavite City.
Boys, they're up a 3. No, not this time. Here's Reyes as he picks up the leather. Down low, pass deflection. Ball stolen. Here's number 29. In and out. Positive is made through. Lempa, shot away. Drives. Misfires. Getting his own miss. 4 seconds serving. 5 to shoot. And that's a bucket. Right at the clock. Galing kay Lempa. 52-53. Parales. Off to Liagas. Positive is made through. Spins away. Ball deflection. Here's number 1. Taking up one step. And there will be a whistle. And the foul has been called.
53-52, lamang na isang endang ruso.
Here's the end. Bigay bola para kay Lempa. Hand it over. Drives. Almost ball stolen. Lempa. Drives. Getting his own miss. And there will be an offensive foul.
Baba. Matatapa.
All players, please proceed on their respective benches. Again, all players, please proceed in the shaded area in front of your benches. Both teams are advised to observe proper bench order. Again, all players, please proceed in the shaded area in front of your benches. Both teams are advised to observe proper bench order. Of the Cavite City for a second motion. One free throw for Inda. For possession for the Cavite City.
Steve 4-52, dalawa.
Drives, here's number 25, season opening and ties the game. All 54. As Parales drives inside the paint. Here's number 1. Spinelli. Okay, bola para kay De Las Alas. Floats it off the glass, no good. Here's number 59, secures it off the player number 25. Drives. Goes up and down, no good. Here's the Cookies off of De Las Alas. Wide open, Gonzalez lays it in. Off the Parales. Ball stolen. And there will be an offensive foul. Player number
Kaya
1. Jumper, want to go. Here's Gonzalez as he picks up the leather. Here's the end. Bigay bola para kay Gonzalez. Hand it over again para kay Niel. Inside, drives, no good. And the Blues picks it up. Take a quick step now. Extra passes, here's Alawin. It spins, misses. Here's number 59 for the third serving. Not this time.
Tira mo.
5 to shoot. Gonzalez, trouble block, ball stay. 3 seconds remaining. 3 seconds.
Tira.
Long distance play.
Putik, way out.
Out of bounds. After the kick out now. 15 on the shot clock. Here's an lead. 4-3. Short. Here's Yagas. Making his way through. Jumper, no good. Battling for the rebound. Here's Spinelli as he picks up the leather. Jab step. Drives. Goes up and under. Not going to move, but not a great execution. Off the kick up now. Side step. Misfires. Here's Furganen off the Reyes, ball deflection, Yagas with a putback. All 56. Here's Spinelli. Okay, bola para kay Riel. Inside pass para kay Gonzalez. Next out. 1-0.
Mamalas na. Di na sila mga shoot.
Here's Furganen. Take a quick step off the player number 6. Okay, bola para kay Furganen. 15 on the shot clock. As it drives, extra passes, and foul. Second personal TVL penalty. One out of 2 by Furganen. Changing of leads now. 57-56. In favor of the Cavite City. Here's Spinelli. Big hand up by Gonzalez. Ball almost stolen. Gonzalez inside, drives off the glass, puts it in. Both teamers just exchanging baskets on this ball game. As Gonzalez drives inside. And get their exchange point on that free thrower. Here's Furganen. Between the defenders, is stop and calm. Tries to drop it, no good. Battling for the rebound. Jump fake. Here's Lampa. Off to player number 13. Inside. Drives. Kicks it out. 1-0 for 3. Misfires. Battling for the rebound. Here's number 30. Furganen on the move. Here's Spinelli. Drives between 2 defenders. There will that is a 2-4-2 by the player on Spinelli. 16:57. Now we're on the score. 20 seconds remaining. 1 minute remaining. Inside. Kicks out. Furganen on top of the knee. Hand it over. 4-3. 1 to go. Here's number 7. Lampa on the move. 1v3. Spins away. Off the goal. Lampa is now on fire. Having that move. Spinelli. After the steal. Ball.
5, 52,
Here's Spinelli. Finding Gordon. 14 on the shot. Gets out. And that's all of us. 4-3. Misfires. Ball goes out of bounds.
Hindi na mga shot. 19 seconds. 62.
Here's an lead from Company setting things off. In and out. Back to shoot. Alaurin. Ball stolen. Gonzalez. Off to Las Alas. Here's Las Alas on the move. Forces. Not this time. And fourth quarter.
Last quarter.
Here's Spinelli off to Gonzalez. Gonzalez inside pass. Kicks out. At the back. Gonzalez for 3. Misfires. Here's number Takes out Miss Benelli. Off to Gonzalez for the second try. Not this time. Ball goes out of bounds. All players please proceed to their respective benches. After the kick out now, here's the Cavite City on the run. Inside, Ortilia with a floater, swirls around the rim. And knocks it in. That is Ortilia, player number 17, Cavite City. 10 seconds to shoot. Long distance straight. Countdown 3. Lampa is now headed up as he scores continuously on this ball game. After the kick out now, Makabuat. Down low pass, pass deflection. Here's this ball stolen. Lampa on the move.
Ayan pa! Ay, sana. Nagulat yata sa boses ko.
Here's the Cavite City. From coast to coast, drives and knocks it in. Player number 54.
Baka-highlight sana. Isa pa. Putik.
Jump ball.
Siksik naman eh.
Down low, pass deflection. Ball will stay.
65-61. Tama ba yung score? Apat lang ang lamang. Apat ang lamang ng lindang. 7 minutes 46 seconds. Huli.
Troy kicks it out once again. Transition, kicks out. Quick handoff inside. No, this time. Here's number 6 with the putback. 63-65. 2-point lead remaining coming from the Indala rookies. Here's number 7. Spence. And there'll be a first foul. Here's number 84. On top of the team, gave up on number 6 as it drives. Stop and pump. Jumper is good.
All 65.
Here's number 1. Deadlocks in position, all 65 now. 4-3. Miss Myers. Here's number 9. We get one of an idea. In and out. Tight coordinate by 2. Cross court. Miss Benelli for 3. Miss Myers. Here's the Cavite City now on the quick run. This will be a great opportunity for them to take the lead. Here's number 6. Off to Alaurin. Bigay bola para kay player number 6, Luagi. Drives inside. Stop and bomb. Jumper is good. Luagi 2 points.
7.
Cavite City takes the lead.
Wala ng dalawa ang Cavite City.
Bien.
6 minutes na.
In and out. Off to Spinelli. Hand it over para Gonzalez. Loses it and gets a foul. Foul. Here's Spinelli on top of easy things up. Tiny Gordon. But player number 84. Off to Gonzalez. Inside. Drives. Misfires. Here's number 17. Ortilia. Off to Alaurin. Off the left. Misses. Another great attempt there. Loses it. Finally here is Benelli with an alley play. Shot was blocked. Northern by house. As the team of Cavite City, as they denied that alley play execution of the entire rookies. Here's number 19. As it drives. Kicks out. Lampa with a quick 2.
Hey.
Third serving.
Foul counted ang gusto.
And knocks it in. That is a counter Edward finish. And a foul is the goal player for 14.
24 seconds.
Indown takes the lead, 1 minute remaining for the Indown rookies. Kicks out, Ali Bird, over the house, no good. Here's number 6, Gumagi.
Lahat na nakashoot.
Again, a win, a win back. 8-point consecutive para kay Gumagi on this game. Nice and move, down low. Lampa, creating space, not this time. Here's Ortilia, picks it up. Taking a quick step down. Yagas, lays it in.
71-68 for
Here's Espinelli. Bigay bola para kay Dante. Hand it over para kay Riel. Espinelli, 4-3. Misfires. Here's Alante for the third try.
nice pass. Hindi nakapalapit na.
Down low, Lumagi once again. Off the glass. Misfires. Gonzalez, Alves, Espinelli. Drives. Side step jumper. Misfires. Battling for the ball. Ball goes to the other. Alante.
All 71. Huli.
Nice game.
Yun, turnover.
Miscommunication over. Leads to the Adam on our second game.
Score tayo, score.
Here's the end. In and out. Good play. 1-4. Not this time. Here's Gonzalez. Drives. Off the glass. Misses. Here's the Capital City. On the transition. Counter and run.
Tatlo na lang.
15-second personal. Team foul. Number 2. Inside, gets a foul. Foul by a number.
Lang. Pensa.
Here's number 30 off to Morales as he drives. Sees an opening. Sinks it. Here's Llagas. Between the defenders, kicks it out. Tries to save it.
Shoot run.
Lampa 4-3. Misfires.
Dami sa ulo nila. Ba't ganun?
Here's the Cavite City now on their run. 2 minutes and 38 seconds remaining. 15 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Here's Marcona with a quick train. Not this time.
Baba.
Espinelli picks it up.
Shoot naman kayo.
Drive. Shot was blocked. Battling for the rebound. Espinelli. Spins, kicks out. Gonzalez, shot fake. Drives.
Ah!
Riel picks it up. 10 to shoot. Last 2.
Yes! Woo! Putik na yan! Nakakiskis ba?
3.
Shoutout sa Tagalulod dyan. Ang galing ng player natin.
Here's Burganan. Off to Morales. Shot fake. Drives between.
Uy, ganda yung steal.
Loses it. Here's Llagas with the build.
Isang gaba naman ang Llagas na ito.
76-74. Lead by the Cavite City. Here's Riel on the top of the key. Close the pass. Kicks it out. Hand it over. 10 on the shot clock. 4-3. Misfires. Here's Lampa. Getting his own best. Extra move.
Foul. Counted.
B.
Counted o counted o.
That was the goal.
Continuation.
Coming from player number.
Lamang ng dalawa ang Cavite City. 1 minute 23 seconds. Ipag ni Reyes o. Panag mo. Oh man. Great. Wala pa.
10 Takes it out. Shot fake, drive, stop and pop, jumper is good.
Mute din. Isa, all pala, all 76.
Here's the convenience unit now. 1 minute remaining. All 76, defense. Ball split. Here's number 9. Oh, no.
Kyle Raymond, ball captain. Putik sana. Yes! Ito mga pasama yung mga Tagalulod. Football. Yes! Lamang, nagdalawang, yun lang. Pensa, 55 seconds na lang yan. Full defense, knocks out. Help. Wala. Bounce. Baba, tulong, baba. Kyle, run! Woo! 29 seconds! Woo! Shout out sa Tagendang. Malapit na tayo manalo. Sana manalo. Happy birthday lang.
Britney Sydney! Came off this quadruple header.
86, 29 seconds. Stop. Agaw!
Here's Alvin. And gets a foul. And has been called for player number
23 seconds. Sayang. Nawala na yung bola.
Now player number 9, Olate. Fourth personal. 40 seconds on the shot call. Here's Alvin again. On top of the key, setting things off. As it drives.
Wala. Panalo na tayo. Ano yun?
And that is a foul has been called for player now player number 12. That will be
76.
first personal team foul penalty.
Goriel. Ay! Putik talaga. Wala. Okay lang yan. Importante manalo. Shout out kay Mark Robert Basero. Kay Nunoy Masungsong. Rebound Ron.
With door violation, substitution, Marcana Jackson replacing player number 6, Lumaki.
Pensa,
basketball.
Tarap.
Foul player number 7. That was 5 fouls. Drives, gets a foul, and a foul is called for player number
10 seconds.
13.
10.7, 80-76. Apat lamang.
Third personal penalty at the line, shooting 2. Porcana.
Yun ang player ng Dasma. Laking to. Kaya anong kalaban niya? Yan din. Knockout game na rin. Dalawa. 10.7 seconds. Dalawa lang ang lamang ng
Timeout in the rookie.
panalo. Sayang yung free throw. 10.7
10 seconds remaining.
80-78. Dalawa lang ang lamang ng Indang. Shoot pass.
Here's Gonzalez. Down low. Ball goes up to the other.
Anong ginawa mo? Bakit ganun? Depensa
7.4 seconds remaining. Substitution, Alvin checks in. Replacing. Substitution.
Seconds.
Here's number 30. We're gonna on the way.
Yung wala! Woo! Oh, butit sala! Woo! Ang laki nun! Butit sala! Overtime sana! Butik na yan! Butik na mga overtime! Butik na lang! Classic ko sa aming team! Ganda laban!